All right, let's try some dips. My name is Emily and this channel is called Wheel Your Own Way. I post new videos 3 times a week, so make sure that you subscribe below so that you can stay updated on all my new content. Now, I've never really tried dips before, so similar to my grapevine progress videos, this is you learning with me. So take what you hear with a grain of salt, and if something I do helps you learn how to do your dips, then that's amazing. So I'm gonna start by practicing lunges to both sides, keeping in mind that I wanna keep my full weight, or at least majority weight, on my supporting leg. I'll start by putting my right foot back. My weight is on my left leg. I highly recommend you take your toe stops out, but at this point I believe anything's possible with toe stops in, so you do you. Make sure that you are flexing your back foot and not pointing it, because if you point your foot, your toe is going to touch the ground, and we don't want that. Other foot, my weight is now completely on my right leg. Roll it back and bring it in. Now I'm gonna try that rolling backwards. I feel fairly comfortable just rolling straight backwards and putting my leg straight back, so now I'm gonna try to do that half circle. That transition in between curving that foot and bringing it back up and then switching, that's a little fumbly for me. Let's see if I can try to figure that out a little bit better. As I put one foot down and shift the weight, I'm simultaneously rolling that opposite foot behind me. Now, I've been picking up my feet in between, but I think I'm gonna try to keep all wheels on the ground this time at all times and see if that makes it smoother. This is one of those moves that's not gonna come easy to me. I think I'm just nervous to go all out because it's new to me, but I'm pretty sure I got this. There's another video of me that I suggest using this arm, this type of arm motion. I don't know if I like that. Go ahead and check out what other skaters do with their arms. I'm gonna do the same because I don't really know what to do with my arms. Oh my God, I am so glad that my phone did not just break. I just got all this footage. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it a day. If you're having trouble with this move, I highly suggest that you check out this video right here. I go through some basic movements that you can try without your skates on to prepare you to really get into the dips.